Hey y'all, so this video was supposed to have been me out on the lake with my barrel boat, just some shots of me cruising around, but kind of had a little accident on the way there, so I'm gonna flip this camera around and I'll show you guys what happened. So I guess what happened was made a left turn. I guess I took the turn a little too sharp, and when I did, this wheel down here broke, and I think it shifted the weight, and this entire trailer flipped over upside down and then righted itself. And when I mean it flipped over upside down, I mean completely. It popped off the ball, bent this up a bit, broke one of my security chains. What's weird is my trolling motor has some nice few nice shiny scratches all over it, but the little 3.5 Nissan on the back somehow didn't get a scratch. The box top was fine until I started back down the road, and then it just fell off, so I had to stop and throw it in the bed of the truck. My railing here broke out the transom a little bit. Oh, I didn't even notice that just now. I have to try and address that. This railing's pretty much done for. It's all cracked now. Big old chunks missing. That's completely broke. So this is all gonna have to come off and redone. I mean, you can see where it hit the pavement. You know, shaved that off. You know, scuffed that. You know, chewed that up, and it busted this one back here. But my trailer straps never failed. I did have to tighten them back down a little bit, but they stayed on. And none of my barrel straps failed. So I mean, all in all, it could have been a lot worse. But so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I got some work to do now, obviously. I mean, I liked having the wheels on the back, but if that's gonna be a safety issue, you know, my issue is this trailer's so short that, you know, I mean, I'd have to be, you know, my front seat of my pickup be in the water just to get this thing out far enough, I think, depending on the ramp. So anyway, like I was saying, you know, this trailer is just way too short. I mean, boat fits perfectly, but as far as like actually being able to load it and unload it at the ramp, or backing it down into the water, I don't think it's going to work. You know, so that's why I had the wheels on it. You know, I could just dolly it off and like that. And I noticed later on, I actually did wind up losing my paddle that I had mounted to a rail, or not the one that's busted, but had it mounted to another rail, and I never even saw it when I was picking stuff up off the road. So I'm gonna try and get this thing off the trailer later today, and just figure out what I need to do. Pretty much sucks. Haven't been able to get out on it this year. I was really looking forward to it. So I guess I will update y'all soon on any progress I make. Yeah. So go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe. Do what you do. And I'll talk to you guys later.